Kunmala is one of the most beautiful places and one of the top tourist attractions near Talegaon Dabhade. One rainy afternoon, our craving for digging up yet another offbeat destination got the better of us. The spectacular Kund Mala Falls, Talegaon, is formed by the Indrayani River cascading into the rocky gorge. There is a small temple perched on one of the huge boulders overlooking the waterfall. There is a bridge built over the river which offers fantastic view of the waterfall. It is an exciting experience to walk across the bridge. Looking at the deep gorge, one can guess where the place derived its name from. The place is mostly secluded, quiet and serene. One can rest under the shade of trees lined along the banks of the river.
From the last few months, the world is suffering from a fear of unknown, fear of the infection, fear of touching someone, fear of being touched, fear of being infected and infecting the friends and family. This coronavirus is creating new ways for everyone to think to how to keep their family and friends safe. I know without a doubt our country and this world will survive this pandemic, and our broken world will be way more beautiful very soon. I want to give a message to the entire world in the form of a poem. What if it's just nature asking us to stop and think about our planet and treasure what we've got? What if it's just nature slowing us right down? Time to look around us and see what can be found. What if it's just nature asking us to think, what is it that we really need? Love, health, food and drink? What if it's just nature giving us time to be more understanding, generous and kind? What if it's just nature asking us to care and think about each other and sometimes just be there?
What if it's just nature sending all this pain? Time to reevaluate before we all go insane. None of us will ever know what's really going on. None of us will ever think when all of this is done. All of us can choose to spend our days in fear and dread, but all of us can choose to plan for better days ahead. I pray to the Almighty for better health for everyone.